It is a huge day at the house today because I'm having the solar power system installed along with the inverter, and yes, for the first time ever I'm actually having a battery storage system installed. I'm going the whole hog, and I'll tell you why in a bit. Our homes are really power hungry, and despite all of our efforts to reduce that power consumption, I mean things like insulation, double glazed windows and energy efficient appliances, well, the power companies just up their power each year, and that completely undoes all of our hard work. But there are some things you can do, like introduce solar panel systems at your place, which will dramatically cut the cost of your power bill. And in the summer months, those savings are dramatic.
I think I'm getting nervous.
But for me, I wanted to think a little bit deeper about just throwing solar panels and a battery onto the house. I really want to push this notion of a whole house integrated system. This means using a mixture of AI, of apps, of integration, of data. I've wanted to be in control of the house and its power use for a long time. I want all of my appliances to talk to each other, to use the sun's free energy and win the war against the rising power costs, and of course, be a little bit more sustainable. So I've done months and months and months of research to really nail this whole house integration system. Well, I'm creating an ecosystem here where it's all controlled not with a million apps on your phone with a million different brands, but from one brand with one app where all of the appliances talk to each other, they understand each other, they work together seamlessly, and that brand is HAIER. So, my heat pump hot water system, my ducted heating and cooling system, my solar panels, and my battery, my laundry, my kitchen stuff like Fisher & Paykel fridge, induction stove, the whole works. It's either with Fisher & Paykel or HAIER. Now, they all integrate into one app, and that is the Smart HQ app. So what does all of this mean? Well, it means I'm gonna be able to do some pretty cool things like set my HAIER washer and dryer, so my laundry, to come on when the solar system is generating peak power during the day. I'll be able to have my hot water heat pump give a bit of a boost during the day, or even heat the water whilst I'm generating free power from the sun. I'm going to be able to have my heating and my cooling come on during the day, so it's the perfect temperature when I get back from work. It's all done via the app. Everything's talking to each other. The solar system is working together with everything, and it's a win-win. In fact, the only people that are missing out and losing out are the power companies. Soz. This is the battery. Have a look at this. It's huge. So then, when the system is producing excess electricity, it all spills over. It's kind of sent into this battery here, where the battery is then charged and it stores all of the excess power in here. So during the night, it will discharge into your house, and you can pretty much run your house off the battery. I mean, will I still draw from the grid? Yeah, of course I will. I mean, in winter, the sun doesn't shine as much, and whilst it will generate a good amount of power, I'm still gonna have to draw from the grid. But it's an intelligent approach. It is a future-proofing approach, and for the most part, this entire system is going to dramatically reduce the amount of power I use to run my power-hungry home. If you jump onto haierhome.com.au, you'll find out what system might work for your place, and of course, the prices.